Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Kitchenaid Artisan Stand Mixer. Make sure to watch until the end to know our final verdict if this mixer is worth it. Kitchenaid Artisan Stand Mixer Overview. Kitchenaid Artisan Stand Mixer is one of the well-designed kitchen mixers that ensures efficiency in stirring, mixing, and kneading that can be attributed to the 59 touch points around the mixer bowl. Its huge 5-quart stainless steel mixer bowl offers sufficient capacity for both small and large batches. Its tilt-head design eases the addition of ingredients to the bowl. Equally, the tilt-head mechanism lets you mix your ingredients at different planes. The appliance runs on a 120-volt main supply to a 325-watt motor. The motor has 10 different mixing speeds that let you control its work rate, as well as the texture of the final ingredient. It's mainly made of stainless steel. What we liked: the removable bowl and tilt-head mechanism ease ingredient load-up for mixing. Multiple mixing speeds. Large bowl capacity. What we didn't like: has a low torque motor. Features: durability. The mixer is majorly comprised of metallic components, except for a few elements such as knobs. Its beater are made up of stainless steel, which is non-abrasive and corrosion resistant. Generally, the mixer's metallic elements enhance its durability. Tilt head. Unlike some mixers, the Kitchenaid Artisan Stand Mixer consists of a tilt head, which eases the load-up of ingredients into the bowl. The head can be tilted in different planes and locked in position, either during bowl load-up or when mixing the ingredients at a certain angle for maximized contact with the beater. Varied speeds. The mixer offers you the pleasure of dictating its work by adjusting between different mix speeds with the control knob. The varied speeds can also be used to control the textures of the end products. Who is the Kitchenaid Artisan Stand Mixer best suited for? The appliance best suits individuals with huge loads of mixing duties in the kitchen. Verdict: should you get the Kitchenaid Artisan Stand Mixer? Although other mixers within the same class as the Kitchenaid Artisan Stand Mixer have more robust features, such as vibration counteraction mechanisms, the mixer is still worth a purchase. Its features, such as the tilt head and a handle-removable mixer bowl, distinguish it from the other mixers. More so, its metallic makeup guarantees reliable durability, making it even more cost-effective. Thanks for watching.